The table below gives some values of standard enthalpies of formation. The enthalpy change for the reaction, as you can see the reaction there. Use these values and the standard enthalpies in the table in table 2 to calculate the standard enthalpy of formation of ethane. In this question, we have to begin by drawing an energy cycle diagram, such that which will enable us to calculate the enthalpy of formation of ethane. Now, ethane is made by reacting carbon and hydrogen to form our ethane. So enthalpy of formation is the enthalpy change that occurs when 1 mole of a compound is formed from its constituent elements. So ethane is formed from carbon and hydrogen. So we balance this equation, balance by adding a 2 there, balance by adding a 3 there. So from this one, from this equation here, we can draw an energy level, that is cycle diagram. Our carbon plus fluorine, carbon plus fluorine, we form CF. CF CF4 tetrafluoroethane, that is tetrafluoromethane. So we balance this equation here, balance by putting a 2 there, and we also balance by putting a 2 there. So this one we put a 4, there. In this one, hydrogen plus fluorine, we form hydrogen fluoride gas, fluoride gas. So balance this equation here, balance by putting a 6, because hydrogen here are 6, balance by putting a 6 there, and we balance by putting a 3 there. So that equation is balanced. Now when we had our ethane, we had fluorine, we form tetrafluoroethane, and hydrogen fluoride. So we add fluorine here, we form tetrafluoroethane, and hydrogen fluoride, in that case there. So we balance this equation by putting a 7. Balance that equation by putting a 7 there. Now that we have our energy level, that is cycle diagram, we can calculate our enthalpy of formation of ethane, this one, given this table here, the enthalpy of formation of tetrafluoro ethane and hydrogen fluoride. Now, we can label this one enthalpy note 1, enthalpy note 2, and enthalpy note 3. So we say enthalpy 1 is equals to enthalpy 2 plus enthalpy 3. So we say enthalpy 1, let's calculate our enthalpy 1. Our enthalpy 1 is this one. Now that we are given enthalpy of formation of these two compounds there. So enthalpy 1 will be 2, this one here, times negative 680 plus 6 multiplied by negative 268, 269 multiplied by negative 269 is equals to enthalpy not 2, which we do not know. We want to calculate enthalpy of formation of ethane. Enthalpy not 2, we can use it x plus negative 2, this one here, negative 228.89. So we need to find the value of x. So this one, the total of this would give us, negative 2974, negative 2974 is equals to x minus 2889, x minus 2889. So we need the value of x. So x would be negative 2974 plus 2889. So the value of x would be equals to negative 85 kilojoules per mole. Negative 85 kilojoules per mole. Thank you for watching this part. Kindly follow up for the next part to understand better.